Hello students, we are learning chapter 6 tissues, and today we are going to learn about muscular tissue, and this is video 8 of the chapter. Muscular tissue consists of elongated cells. That means the cells are long. They are not round or spherical, they are long. And these cells are also called muscle fibers. And this tissue is responsible for the movement of the body. Muscular tissue helps in the movement. Now there are three types of muscular tissue: striated, unstriated and cardiac. Let us see one by one. First one is the striated muscles. Striations means stripes. That is, suppose our school uniform, it has got the blue and sky blue and dark blue stripes. So here also in this type of muscle, that is striated muscles, there are light and dark bands on its surfaces. So under the microscope it shows alternate light and dark bands called striations, and when stained with the stains, that is under the microscope, when we see with the help of the stains, we can see dark and light bands. We can see the picture of this on page number 77. See, this is striated muscle. It is cylindrical in shape. It has got dark and light bands, alternate, one light band, one dark band, again one light band, one dark band. So alternate dark and light striations are there, and on each striations you can see so many nuclei are there. So it is multinucleate cell. In a single cell, so many nuclei are there, so many nucleuses. So it is cylindrical, it is having many nucleus, and it has dark and light bands. This is the structure. So it is called, and also as it is striated, it is called striated because it is called striations. The cells of this tissue are cylindrical, unbranched and multinucleate. They don't have any branches. There is a single cylindrical shape. Functions is, as it is found only on the voluntary muscles, voluntary organs like hand, legs and mouth. So it helps in the movement of the voluntary organs. Next one is unstriated muscle. It is also known as smooth muscles. As the name suggests, unstriated, that means it do not have striations. See the picture. This is unstriated muscle. It do not have the striations like the previous one. It is spindle shape, pointed on both the sides. It is spindle shape. It has a single nucleus. This is one single cell, spindle shape. It has single nucleus, so it is uninucleate. It do not have any branches. Location where it is found. The location is, it is found always on the involuntary organs, involuntary internal organs of the body, like iris of the eye. Iris of the eye means it is a muscle which controls the opening and closing of the pupil of our eye through which the light enters. It is an involuntary organ. We do not have any control over the opening and closing of the iris. Then in the ureter carries the urine, so regular contraction and expansion of the ureter tube allows the urine to pass, and there also we do not have our control. It is an involuntary organ. There this muscle is present. It is in the bronchi of the lungs. Bronchi means when the windpipe, trachea, enters the lungs, then the windpipe is single. It branches into two branches, left branch and the right branch. Left bronchus and right bronchus enters into the lungs. So it is found on the wall of the bronchi through which the wind passes. Function is movement of the food in the alimentary canal. So that means it is also present in the esophagus. In the alimentary canal, or the contraction and relaxation of the blood vessels are involuntary. We cannot really start or stop them and simply wanting to do so. That means it is not according to our will they move. So smooth or involuntary muscles control such movement. Such movement means the smooth muscles control the involuntary movement of the organs inside our body. Last one is cardiac muscle. It is found on the heart. Structure is, heart muscle cells are cylindrical, branched and uninucleate. The first one, striated muscle, was also cylindrical, and this is also cylindrical, but this is branched. That means what? So this is cardiac muscle. This is one cell. It is cylindrical in structure. This one is also cylindrical in structure, but they are connected through branches. Here it is not connected through branches. Here they are connected through branches, and it has got dark and light bands. The striated muscles, the cardiac muscle, also have got dark and light bands. But here it is multinuclei, but it is uninucleated. It has got single nucleus, and you have to draw these three diagrams at the end of the answer. Now, what is the function of the cardiac muscle? It helps the heart to pump the blood and supply blood in the whole body, and this kind of muscles, they perform the rhythmic contraction and relaxation throughout the life without getting tired even for a moment. So they never get tired. So that's all in today's video. We'll meet in the next video.